Hey everyone, it's Jake here from Jake's Aviation, back with another model unboxing and review video. This time we have the DHL Airbus A330-200 freighter by JC Wings. This aircraft is owned and operated by European Air Transport Leipzig in the DHL colors. And this bird was originally a Etihad Cargo A330-200 freighter, but is now with the EAT. So yeah, this is the first A330 actual dedicated freighter, purpose-built freighter, which is distinguished by this bulge. We'll get more into it later on. Yeah, so first one in my collection. Super excited to have this. Let's go ahead and get right to the model. So here's the box. I picked this up from Waffle Collectibles. I believe it was part of a collection sale. So yeah, here we have some specs about it. Pretty cool. Engine types, the Rolls-Royce Trent 700s, some dimensions and whatnot. So yeah, let's open it up, see what we got. There's the model, looking really nice. Very nice. Alright. Plastic out. Here we have the model, looking really nice, some good detail, I can already tell. That's awesome. Alright. Very nice, very solid model from the looks of it. Alright, so here we have the aircraft. Looking really nice. We'll go ahead and dive on in to it for some more detail. So I'll just adjust the camera here, and alright, let's get into it. So here we have the DHL European Air Transport A330-200 freighter. There's a nose, this is by JC Wings, it says. So here's a nose. Cockpit nose looking pretty good, and some good details around the nose coming there. The main door, the only door, I guess you want to say passenger door, it's more of a crew door. And you have the main upper deck cargo door. But the biggest thing with the dedicated, the purpose-built, should I say, A330-200 freighters is this sort of bulge underneath for where the gear is. And I think they did that, honestly, I forget the main reason, but I know it's something to do with, load and just, how it sits. Because the normal A330s kind of have, a slight slant down between the main gear and the nose gear, and they did this to kind of build it up and get it something to do with the loading or whatever. But yeah, so that's how you can tell a dedicated freighter Airbus A330 aircraft is by this sort of bulge at the bottom. And it's only the A330-200s that they built, just the actual freighters, as far as I'm aware. I don't think there's been any actual 300s built as freighters, only passenger to freight conversions. But anyway, so yeah, pretty standard. Got the yellow and the red, and the antenna on top there, and it looks like some sort of satellite box on top. A little bit dusty, but I'm not sure what that would actually be for, as there's no Wi-Fi on board. So yeah, interesting. Just clean this off here real quick. Pretty sure this was this was a collection sale, so that's why it's a little dusty by the looks of it. No big deal. Alright, here we go. Just wipe some of the stuff off. But yeah, so there you have it. You got a little window right next to that cargo, the main upper deck cargo door there, and some good details around. Moving along, got the Rolls-Royce Trent 700s, looking really nice. Some great detail there on them. Let me just wipe that there. Looking really nice, solid, very good. Not slanted or anything. The wings looking really nice. You got the little winglets, which probably won't focus. That's okay. Just moving along, main gear you can see under there looking good. Moving along to the back, got a couple windows there, just randomly. And then you have the registration, Delta Alpha Lima Mike Alpha, and the German flag. And then DHL here at the back, on the tail. Some good detail around the tail cone area, and the horizontal stabilizers looking really nice. Spinning on to this side, very simple. We have the lower deck, cargo door, and a little sort of baggage compartment right there for the bulk. And then moving along, got the engine on this side looking good, DHL, and then the forward lower deck cargo door there. So pretty plain livery, but nice, you know, the yellow, the red, the standard DHL colors. But very nice. This aircraft, as far as I'm aware, operates fairly regularly on the Leipzig-LA route, vice versa, LA to Leipzig, Leipzig to LA. So that's why I picked this up. It's really nice though, looking good. I have seen one of these in person in Miami as well, and looked pretty cool. So yeah, there you have it for this model. This is JC Wings A330-200 freighter, DHL or European Air Transport, operated by European Air Transport. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and stay tuned for more model unboxing videos, plane spot videos, etc. And take care for now. See you guys.